All right, our DMR number 1. How far is Lincoln Fox from Fox City? First of all, let's find Lincoln Fox. Here's Lincoln. Oh yeah, here's Lincoln. From Fox City. So here's Fox City over here. Let's see how far away they are. So how far they are. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. 9 units. Make sure you guys count this space here and this space here. I know the star and the circle kind of goes over it, but make sure you do count that. Because technically it's literally right on the little, right on that little, those little dots, the little squares, where they cross at, the perpendicular lines. So we do need to count that space there. So over here, we do need to count that space. All right, so that was 9 units. Let's take a look at the next one. Barton and Park City. Here's Barton and Park City. All right, let's take a look. 1. Whoop. Actually, let's delete that. So there we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, count those. 10 units apart. All right. Crowville is 8 miles east of Glen City. What quadrant is Glen City located? Okay, so this is kind of a weird question because it says that Crowville is 8 miles east of Glen City. Well, here's Crowville, but we don't have Glen City, do we? So we need to figure out Glen City. So Crowville is 8 miles east. So north, south, east, west. If you look at our compass up here, we have north, south, east, west, or never eat soggy waffles. Northeast, southwest. So if we know that it is 8 miles east, so we're going to count 8 miles backwards to see where Glen City is going to be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is where Glen City is going to be. Now it says, what quadrant is Glen City located? Remember, quadrant or coordinate plane starts with a C. Here's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, and 4. So what quadrant is it in? It is in quadrant 3. So all we're going to do is put I, or you could put 3. It is in quadrant 3. Great job! That's going to be it for our DMR 1.